these paragraphs. My garden. I have a huge garden. There are many flowers, vegetables, and fruits. Every morning I put water on those plants. I grow new plants on weekends with the help of my family members. We use the remaining area of my garden to play badminton. We don't want to go anywhere to play. We have nice benches in the corner of my garden, so we can talk with our family members. That area is great because of the cool environment. Every morning I feel fresh because of the cool air and the nice smell of flowers. There are many varieties of butterflies coming to my garden. My friends also like to sit in my garden. I like to cook new delicious foods using fresh fruits and vegetables in my garden. Those vegetables and fruits are very healthy. I feel so proud and happy when I eat them. We all keep our garden clean. My garden is very beautiful. Use the given words in the box and make a question. What sport do they play in their garden? Badminton. What did she plant in the garden? Flowers, vegetables, and fruits. Who likes to sit in the garden? Her friends. Who helps her grow new plants? Family members. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this.